Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. I hope you all are doing well, and I hope your trading journey is going amazing. In this video, I will explain the trades that we provided in our free group as well as in our VIP group. For those who are new here and want to join us, the link is available in the description. You can also message us on Telegram at @binary_support. All the links are available in the description, so make sure to check them out. Now, let's move on to the first trade, which we provided on AUDCHF for the downside move. This trade resulted in a loss, so let's move on to the next trade. The next trade was on AUDUSD for the downside move. Let me explain the logic behind this trade. There was a clear downtrend, and you can see that the candle broke above the moving average. We took a calculated risk here, assuming it could be a fake breakout. As you can see, we took the entry around this area, and there was also a resistance level that we had already marked. From this level, the price moved in our favor, and we won this trade. Now let's move on to the next trade, which we provided in our VIP group on EURUSD for the call side. The logic behind this trade was very clear. There was an uptrend and the previous candle engulfed the red candle. That's why we provided a buy signal. We took the entry near the moving average, and this trade resulted in a good win. Next, let's move on to another trade on GBPUSD for the call side. You can clearly see an uptrend, and the moving average was also supporting the price. The red candle closed above the moving average, which confirms strength. That's why we provided a buy signal, took the entry around this area, and won this trade as well. Now, let's move on to the next trade, which was on USDCAD for the downside move. There was a clear resistance level that we had already marked, and the previous candle showed weakness near that resistance. That's why we provided a sell signal, and this trade ended in a clear win. Next, we provided a trade on EURJPY for the call side move. The logic behind this trade was the presence of a strong support level. We took the entry near the support zone, and the price moved upward from that level, resulting in a win. After that, we provided another trade on the call side. You can see that the previous candle was taking support from the moving average. Based on that confirmation, we took the next candle for the upside, and once again, this trade was a clear win from the moving average. Next, we provided a trade on USDCHF for the call side move. The logic behind this trade was a clear uptrend. The previous red candle closed above the moving average, and the price took support from the moving average. That's why we took this trade, and it resulted in another clear win. So, in total, we won 7 trades, and all of them were non-martingale trades. You can also join us and take advantage of our signals. Everything is available in the description, or you can message us directly on Telegram at @binary_support. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment your thoughts below. Till then, see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.